video I made based upon the comments which are going to be discussed in the comment section with a different customer who brought this product from the different platform. Okay, in the comment section I have seen that there are something which has been missed in my previous video, like how to fix the mobile or how to fix the laptop and what will be the size, how to fix that this rod in the socket, and how much it will be give the flexibility, what will be the rotation angles. So many different discussion which is going to be used in the comment section platform. So now I will just concentrate on that particular area and we will make everything setting and I will demonstrate how it can be used. Okay, so this is for them who are discussing in the comment section. Okay, and if you want to my previous video, you can check in the I button and there you can again go for the unboxing and again basic setups, everything. Okay, so now let us not to delay. So basically the brand name is Brolaviya. Okay, so they manufacture different sizes of the mobile holder, can be used for multiple purpose. Okay, and this is an stand where we can fix, and this product I am using for the last 2 years. Okay, same, and still now there is no any defects and no damages, nothing. Okay, it's as like a new, and even the color is also same as like new. So this is the value, this is the quality of the Brolaviya, right? Everything whatever it was there in the initial, same thing it is there, right? So basically there is a lot of question on this socket and this mobile holder. Okay, so first initially we have to open this. Okay, then you can insert this socket in this spring type. Okay, it is very flexible, it won't remove easily. Okay, now it is fixed without using this collar also, it is rigidly fixed, and you can make 360-degree rotation, you can check. Okay, so after that again take this holder and rotate. Okay, it's like nut and bolt now. Okay, so it is somewhat rigid and it is somewhat tight now. Okay, before that it is very flexible. Okay, so based on your application and requirement you can fix it. Only one direction this nut will be rotating. Okay, so after this anyhow the same arrangement is made here, you can check. You can make it tight for the, and again this also we can make, okay, more than 180 degree you can say, right? Make it tight. So in this way this can be used. Okay, so there are multiple knobs. This is for again like this. Okay, now many of them want to know how much the size capacity, you can check. Okay, so a portable, like if you have the tab or pen tab, anything, the size it can be hold easily. For example, you can check this size, it may be 6-inch pen tab, it is actually a pen tab. Okay, so we'll check whether it will fix. Yeah, it can easily fix to this, you can check it. Okay, very rigidly. Okay, strongly it is connected, even if you are having the some movement also it won't get out easily. Okay, very strong, right? And anyhow for the mobile also same, you can use. Okay. Okay, and for mobile, right, for example, if you assume this is a mobile, it can fixed like in the vertical. Another, there is a smaller one that is only used for the in the portrait form. If you want to mobile a small size vertically, you can fix it. That is also I got in the box only. Right. I think all the doubts are been cleared in this video, and thank you for your support.